Welcome to Neobot.trade, revolutionizing trading with AI automation. A new era of intelligent trading begins here. About us, Neobot.trade is a forward-thinking platform designed to simplify and enhance trading using the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, our advanced tools are built to automate trades and boost accuracy. We stand for transparency, innovation, and delivering real value through smart trading solutions. Head office, 21 King Street, Melbourne, 3000, Australia. Our mission is to empower individuals with secure, intelligent, and automated trading tools that generate consistent returns with minimal effort. Our vision is to become a globally trusted leader in AI-based trading, enabling financial freedom and trust while transforming the digital trading landscape. What is trading? Trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, forex, or cryptocurrencies for profit. At Neobot.trade, our AI technology makes this process faster, simpler, and more profitable. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses encryption for security and operates independently of central banks. With options like Bitcoin and Ethereum, 24/7 global markets, and rapid adoption, crypto trading offers unmatched opportunity, and we make it accessible. Joining amount. Start your journey with as little as $100. Trading packages as shown in the chart. Direct referral income. First top-up referral income, 10%. Daily level ROI income, as shown in the chart. Neobot Partners and Strengths. Neobot Partners offers global PR and marketing services in 88+ countries. We are the first South Korean firm to join PRCA APAC and are part of a network with 35,000 PR experts and over 6 million media outlets, bringing unmatched global exposure. Terms and conditions: only one account can be registered per email and mobile number. A withdrawal fee of 10% will be applied to all transactions. Withdrawals will be processed within 24 hours. The minimum withdrawal amount is $20 and there is no maximum limit. Users who invest $1,000 or more will become premium customers and can apply for additional benefits, example, reward eligibility, premium support, etc. Clients must be at least 18 years old and legally eligible to enter into binding contracts. The company is committed to maintaining the confidentiality of all client information in accordance with applicable laws. The company does not guarantee any profit or fixed return from trading activities. Distributors are strictly prohibited from promoting or advertising other MLM or network marketing schemes to their downline. The company reserves the right to terminate any distributor for the following reasons: violation of terms and conditions, involvement in fraudulent or unethical activities, providing false or misleading information. Thank you. Join Neobot.trade and be a part of the AI trading revolution. Smart, secure, automated. Your future in trading begins now.